My name is Dallas Crisp. My role is project manager, and I work in the Asheville office. I like to describe myself as the liaison with the homeowner. I'm their advocate. I start every day in the office most of the time, checking emails, responding to mainly homeowners, but staying on top of communication is huge. And so have to make time for that every day. And then communicating with trades, following up with completion, going out to the jobs and inspecting for completion and quality of completion. Juggling all the items that need to be done to complete the 1 million piece jigsaw puzzle that's being put together by over 100 hands. So the steps we take as an office to make sure that each customer feels that they get the attention that they deserve. We will visit every job at least once a week, if not multiple times a week, depending on the phase of construction, put our own eyes on it. I like to communicate with my homeowners as much as possible. Sometimes I'll just talk to them on the phone 2 or 3 times a week, especially towards the end of the project, trying to plan for those final items that get completed and when can we move in and when's power going to be on and stuff like that. So there's a lot of questions to be answered, and we offer many different kinds of services that the customer can take part of, starting all the way from the sales process, dreaming, hey, what can we have, to the all right, well, let's do a site evaluation and start reining this in and try to make this a reality for you guys. The services that we offer, I think, far exceeds a lot of other builders that I know in the area. A lot of other builders, look at the projects as another job, whereas we see the home. We see the families in the home.